Hello guys, how are you? Today I am gonna tell you something about the Pureit Classic Germ Kill Kit, which is of two types, 1 and 2. Let me tell you the difference between the two. The first one, which is 1, it's for it also fits in the Pureit Oro, but the capacity it holds is only 1500 liters. That means it can filter only 1500 liters. And the second one, which is Pureit, this germ kill kit 2, it holds 3000 liters. That means it can purify 3000 liters of the water in the Pureit Classic. Now let me tell you that the first one, which is germ kill kit 1, it's of the rate of around 550 rupees, and the second one, GKK2, it's of 950 around. The option is 950, but you may have to pay the extra charges. This one I have bought in the market here, local market. You can buy it online on Amazon, Flipkart, and also on the official website of the Pureit. Now this is the uppermost carbon trap, which is used in the top chamber of the Pureit RO. It purifies the water in the upper chamber. That means it is the second stage. The first one is that net, which is from which we pour the water into it. This is the last chamber, in which it is fitted. This one, it's fitted there, and it purifies the water in the last stage. That means after that the water is ready for and fit for the drinkage. And this is the main thing, which is the cell. It's the main germ killer, which kills the germs which are very small and transparent, which we cannot that means we cannot see them with our naked eyes. And this one is not the new one. It's old one. The new one I have installed in my RO, in my Pureit. That's not RO, sorry. I have installed in that already. So this is the whole kit. The 3 pieces come in 950. I have bought it in 950 in the local market, not on the official store or any online store. You can buy it from that also. So that's all. It's everything here. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share the video to your friends, and like the video if you have enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions regarding this channel, please comment them below.